Hello, my name is Dr. Mark Kavanaugh, and I'm recording this little video in order to explain a technical problem that we're having with iTunes U. To explain how we do this is each semester in which we are teaching our program, we create a unique Apple ID. And in this case, for this semester, that Apple ID is 2017 springmht@gmail.com. I use that account to log into iTunes U Manager, and I create all of the classes that we are offering this particular semester. So this screenshot shows the iTunes U classes that I've created with that account. At that point, I then go into each class, and you can see on these two smaller screenshots that the owner of each one of these classes is the 2017 Spring Mental Health account. And I add a contributor. This would be the actual person teaching the class. Now in the top one, I added myself. So I added a contributor and put in my personal Apple ID, and I then received a notification on my iPad, and I was able to add that class. On the second screen, you see that I did the same thing for my colleague Wendy and entered her personal Apple ID. She, however, never did receive a notification and still cannot access the course on her iPad. She can enroll in the class using the enroll code, but she sees the class the same way a student sees it. So this screenshot shows what I see on my iPad right now. I am responsible for two classes, the MHT 110 and the MHT 124, and you can see them there. The notifications to add these classes appeared as little red notifications next to my name at the top right. I accepted them and downloaded the classes. When I go into those classes, I can see lists of the students that have registered and enrolled in this class. It's a self-enrolled class. I can see all of this, and as you can see, I can see assignments that they've submitted that have not been graded. I can see their grades. None of the other Apple IDs are able to see this. Now keep in mind, the MCAV and Mac.com, along with all the other Apple IDs that we have in the program, none of them are affiliated. The only affiliated one is the owner, which is the 2017 springmht@gmail.com account. So it's rather confusing that it actually works for me. It works for my MCAV@Mac.com account, but it hasn't worked for anybody else's personal account. So I'm hoping this is enough information for you to help us and to get to the bottom of this, and I'm looking forward to working with you folks. Thank you very much.